Hi, I'm back. I'm making another video. And it is about a trick for making pancakes. Perfect, round, awesome pancakes. So, what you're going to need is, here, let me get this back. So, what you're going to need is a bottle with a cap that opens like this. With a bottle and a cap that opens like this. Okay. And like this. That's for a thermometer. This, some pancake mix. To get one thing out. Okay. And the other two things you will need is a funnel that fits into your cup and measuring that equals 1 or 2, okay? That has number 1 or 2 on it. Mostly number 1. Okay, so what you will want to do first is get this. Put the funnel in. Put in. I'm going to make around 3 or 4 pancakes, which I make very small ones, so it equals that many. So it equals like 6. 1/3, no, a half cup of mix. So you see the 1 cup right here, and it'll go down to the half right here. No, 1/2 right here. It's a half. There will be 2 steps. Well, actually, you'll just follow me. Your hands will get messy. Perfect. A half. Okay. So you just want to pour in a little bit. And if something gets stuck, take a straw and poke it, and it goes right through. Which stuff usually does get stuck. And nothing is coming out because it's all stuck. So. So far, I have finished this. It should be up to about there if you have the same bottle as me. Okay. And then it says and then cup water, 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of water, which is right here. 1/3. So I'm gonna level this just to see. Okay, so I got 1/3, and then I'm just gonna color it in. Take that out, and then put this in. Put this, this. Screwdriver here. Oh yeah, P.S. If you hear me coughing, I'm sick. Okay, so. You can tell it is very. And you can add some food color if you want. And I feel like that's hold on. Okay, so I'm going to put food coloring in. Red or yellow. I'm gonna go. So the other food coloring flat. I'm just gonna do red. Let's just see how it turns out. We're at like 6 drops. Ready? Now I'm just going to open it and see. Oh my god, that's such a cute color. That's a pink. It's a pink actually, not a red. It's cute. Okay, so we did. We just did 5 steps.
Don't make a mess.
I won't. And now, we get the pan. And the butter. Well, the spray butter. The canola spray. There we go. Do you think it could stay right there? Or will it blow up? Okay. So, you might want to heat it up 100 degrees. Actually, just on high. It stinks. You guys can see the flames. And then I like to go like this. I just like to see if it's ready or not. Oh, and of course you need a spatula. I can't find a spatula. So, okay, here we go. Got one. fill that with the water just to see. Okay. Now do it until it goes to there. Now turn it down to right there. What you got, some sand? And it is so cute.
It's a tiny little pancake.
Yeah, the tiny, tiny one. The tiny, 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 tiny pancake. Oh gosh. Well, they look like they're ready. And I forgot a plate. Good one, Amber. Is there a small plate in there in the dishwasher, Mom? Okay. So you got a pancake. It is so cute. Thank you. So, there's one on there. Okay. Now. Oh my God. Oh my God. There, that looks like a better pancake. Like, once you make this many pancakes. So far, I made 2. And then there's just gonna be next one. Okay. I'm watching American Dad. No. Yes! American Dad. This hilarious TV show that I love. And there. Another one. Now it is. What happened? I messed up on this one. That's just gonna have to stay right there for okay. These are like Valentine's. Went a little too fast and got a little too excited in that one. These are like Valentine's cakes, Valentine's cake. Oh, God. Why do I do that? Stuck on me. Okay. So let me organize them. I'm going to pause you guys, okay? So I have organized every one. Look at those cute little pancakes. Adorable. So, this is what I was doing tonight, and hope you guys had fun. Bye!